Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Visible Midnight for Visible Wireless. So this is a new budget phone for Visible Wireless. It's available now for $100. It's available in midnight blue gray, 32 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, and so this phone's $100. So you do get what you pay for here, but it's not a bad looking phone. If you guys transfer your number over to Visible, y'all guys can get the Visible Midnight for free when you guys transfer your number over to Visible and send in your old phone. So yeah, if you guys want to join Visible and get a free phone, and you don't really care about the specs or anything like that, this is a great offer. So this is basically the replacement of the Visible R2, which they had out a while back, like a couple years ago. But now this is their newest free phone here. When you guys transfer your number over to Visible and send in your old phone, alright? So yeah, like I said, it's $100. You do get what you pay for here. So on the front of the phone is your earpiece, teardrop notch for your front facing camera. I do like the wallpaper there, very nice looking wallpaper there. That's the Visible wallpaper, so that's pretty cool. Right side of the phone has your power button and volume keys. That's the right side, like I said, volume button, power key. The power key is also your fingerprint sensor as well. And then on the back of the Visible Midnight is your triple camera system, along with your camera flash, Visible logo, and whatnot. Looks like it has like a glossy back to it. I don't know if it's made of plastic or what, or if it has like don't know if it's made of glass. It's probably not made of glass, but it's probably made of like a plastic back. So yeah, do keep that in mind. I'm not sure what it's made of. Probably plastic, because you're only paying $100 for it. So you will get what you pay for here. So it says here, Visible Midnight provides a sleek and stylish design with its 6.5-inch display for optimal entertainment and productivity. Stream and watch your favorite content with this HD Plus display, and capture the special moments in your life with your triple camera system featuring a 13 megapixel primary lens. Take your work outside and stay on top of emails, documents, and conference calls without skipping a beat. But the long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. Visible Midnight's charger is not your traditional cable and brick, but it comes with the Nebula Mercury 10-watt wireless charging pad. So that's included. So it doesn't come with a cable and the charging brick, I guess. It just comes with a wireless charging pad, which is pretty dope. Not bad for a budget phone like this. So that's pretty that's pretty neat. Made from Replay 72.5% certified recycled plastic and silicone. This wireless charging pad supports 5-watt, 7.5-watt, and 10-watt wireless charging. All the benefits of wireless charging, but with lower impact on our planet. So that is pretty cool. So the wireless charging pad is made from 72.5% certified recycled plastic and silicone. So it's pretty cool. So you will be saving the planet with that. So that is a win. Now the specs on here are decent. This is a budget phone, guys. So you did get what you pay for here. You did get what you pay for here. $100. If you're a current customer, it's free when you guys switch to Visible, transfer your number over, and send in your old phone. Alright. So display size is 6.52 inches HD plus. The weight 6.35 ounces. The dimensions are 6.53 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. It runs an Android 11 on board. So that's very nice. I think the Visible R2 ran an Oreo, I believe, when it came out. So that phone is a few years old now, and this one's the newer one. So this one's the Android 11, so pretty cool there. I don't know if I'll get 12 or not, probably not, but I'm not really sure. You do get 3 cameras on the back at 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. The 5 megapixel camera is probably your ultra wide lens, and then the 2 megapixel camera is probably your depth sensor, I guess. I'm not really sure about that, because they don't specify which lenses is which. All I know is that the 13 megapixel camera on the rear is your main lens, and that's all I know about that. Front camera is an 8 megapixel processor, is a MediaTek 6762 processor, probably octa-core, which I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure that it's octa-core. Storage, 32 gigabytes of storage. RAM, I'm gonna say between 2 or 3 gigabytes of RAM. So not great, but not terrible either. Battery 4,000 milliamps. The charger has a nimble mercury, so that's the wireless charging pad. Fingerprint sensor, that's your power button. Additional features, wireless charging, so that's included in the box. So if you guys click on swap, it'll tell you guys what to do there. If you guys don't know how to do it, basically just click the link below and go and click on the swap section here. It says here, we will send you the visible midnight first so you never lose service. If your old Android phone isn't returned within 14 days, you will be charged the full cost of the visible midnight of $100. So in order to get this phone for free, like I said, you guys have to transfer your number over to Visible and send in your old phone. If your old Android phone isn't returned within 14 days, you will be charged $100 for the phone for the Visible midnight. So do keep that in mind. They don't accept iPhones from what I see here. So that's kind of interesting. So if you guys got like an old Android phone laying around, just send it back and just make sure it turns on and stuff like that. We will accept any Android that turns on. Make sure your phone is paid off before swapping. So if you guys are if you guys are doing a financing plan, or if you guys doing a finance plan on their phone, make sure that it's paid off first before you send it in. Remember that we won't be able to return an old phone to you once sent in. New Visible customers only, of course. Members must provide a payment method that will be charged with the first month's service payment when the swap order has shipped. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Basically, send in your old phone. Make sure that it turns on. Make sure that your phone's paid off. If you guys have a postpaid phone that is on a financing plan, make sure it's paid off. So pretty much simple there. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Visible Midnight is now here at Visible Wireless. It's available now for $100. But if you guys want to get this phone for free, y'all guys can transfer your number over to Visible and send in your old phone. Pretty much simple as that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Visible Midnight is now here at Visible Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.